First, in order to spawn an actor at the mouse location in your controller, use Show Mouse Cursor toggled on. Take an input of your choice and get hit result under cursor by channel. Then take the location of the result and spawn the object you want. In my case, just a barebones actor. Pretty straightforward. Let's check it out. Second, here's a simple method to create UI that can change its color when it intersects with something in the world. A simple widget with some borders to visualize this, making sure we spawn the widget and hide it to start with, then allocating a button to toggle this on and off. Back to the widget in the event graph. Using the event tick since we need to allow the scanner to work in real time, make it feel properly responsive. Check if it's currently visible. Deproject screen to world, use a sphere trace, get the actor it hit, and check if it's of the correct type, and toggle the shifting of color accordingly. Let's check this so far. I intentionally offset this from the center to indicate that it works, even if it's not perfectly centered. Now you can probably see, according to the debug, is not the most accurate way. We can use a slightly different method to achieve a bit more accuracy by including a helper actor, getting the distance from the hit result, and moving this actor with the trace location, as well as scaling in rapport with the distance. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.